Why does my BMW shake a little when idle in Dallas? A well-functional engine will run the car smoothly whether you are staying at a stoplight or cruising down the highway. Many times you will find that your BMW is feeling like heavy turbulence in the middle of the road while idling. In the worst cases, you will find that the car is in motion due to problems with the steering wheel. For determining the causes behind the shaking problems in your BMW, you have to consider several elements. The following points define the causes behind your BMW shaking a little when idle. Worn spark plugs or spark plug wiring. To ignite each cylinder of the engine, the spark plugs, coils, and wiring are creating the necessary voltage. Over time, the spark plug is contaminated and causes a shaking sensation in your car when idling. Failed fuel intake system. Using the fuel intake system for longer can wear out several components of the engine in BMW. If the valves of the fuel intake system are not adjusted properly, it is unable to supply clean fuel to the engine and shake at idle. Dirty fuel injectors. To enhance the fuel efficiency of the engine, every car has well-developed high-pressure fuel injectors. When the fuel injectors are exposed to high temperatures, the carbon is clogged within the injector and causes rough idling. Poor idle speed control. The idle control valve of the car is used for controlling the idling rotation speed of the engine. Eventually, the carbon is deposited within the idle speed control and makes the engine shake while idling. Issues with engine mounts. Engine of the car are supported by the engine mounts that are blocking the rubber mounted on the steel brackets. Over regular use, the engine mounts are cracked or breaking down, which can transmit the shaking directly onto the frame. Conclusion. For preventing the shaking sensation of the car at idle, you have to perform regular service and maintenance. Otherwise, take your BMW to a reputed mechanic for diagnosing the causes behind the shaking when idling and fix it.